Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Alright, got a strange one. I know, you're seeing by the title. Really? Gillette Beard Oil. It's here. So if you're in a store and you're watching this video, if you should buy this, here's a very short answer. Find Honest Amish. I'll be honest. Okay? It's not bad. It's not the greatest. It's not over-the-top world-beating. But go get Honest Amish. Okay. Wouldn't be my channel without an interruption of some kind, right? I never get phone calls. The moment I start to do a review, I get a call. I'm not going to edit that because that's part of the whatever. But yes, we're going to take a look at something by King Gillette. Now, when you think of Gillette, you think of shaving. You really don't think of beard care. I mean, you've seen those commercials, Gillette, the best a man can get. As you can see, they were established in Boston in 1901, so these guys have been around for a very, very long time. Now, you can find this and other products out there at www.gillette.com. If you're going to want to look for their beard care, seriously look under the beard care and body section. Now, I found this in my local Safeway. It comes in a 1 ounce amber bottle, dropper top. You know, nothing fancy. And there's the way the oil looks, and you make your judge on if, you know, your consistency. I don't think it's lightweight, but I also don't think it's really high on the medium side. It's kind of at that border to me between light and medium. I found it at my local Safeway, which is like a nationwide grocery store owned by Kroger, on clearance for $8. So that should have told me something right away. You can find it over on Gillette for $13. Now, here's the part that gets me, all right? Sorry, instead of writing everything down, I just thought this would be the easiest way to do this. Go ahead, take a freeze frame, pause as soon as it comes into focus. There's your ingredients. I get really tired of people putting down all these little scientific, the lens flare, sorry. All the little scientific names that you have to sort through. It's like, okay, why don't you just say grapeseed oil? And that's the primary ingredient. But what got me is I didn't have any of that crunchy beard. It wasn't an over-the-top great feeling in my beard. I bought it because I went, why not? It's in a big box store. Let's get it out there. Let's help people who may think about buying this. Like I said, pass on it. Get something else if you're in a big box store like Honest Amish. Go find Honest Amish. If you're in a big box store, that's your best bet. Hopefully, if it's a good store, it's got Honest Amish or Bulldog. And that's, you know, my opinion. I'm not bashing Gillette. I just think for a company that's been around for like 200 freaking years, it seems like, yeah, you should have done better. I know that your primary goal is to get us to get rid of the man mane, but if you're going to create a product, please don't create one that makes us want to shave the man mane, which is a great marketing gimmick, but still. Now, here's the part that got me. On their website, that beard oil has been reviewed 98 times for a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. It only got 1 2-star review. There was lots of 5s and lots of 4s and very, very handful of 3s. And everyone's going, it's the greatest thing I've ever used. I will never go back to these other companies. I will never do this. I'll never do that. I'm like, have you really gotten out there and tried beard oil? I mean, have you tried any of these great small batch companies? And yeah, I'm in the alternate filming room, but still. Sorry for this shit. Seriously? The shadow on like one side. But still. Alright. Now that I've rambled and went, hey, don't buy it. I can tell you, I only used it for 2 days. And I went, nope, never going in my beard again. That first day I went, it can't be this bad. The second day I went, yeah, it can. But okay, we're at the part of the video that I love the most. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff down below. Have you used Gillette, King C Gillette beard oil before? Have you used any of their beard products before? Have you used, basically, since you started growing your man mane, any of their line? Because I really don't recommend them. But if you have, I really want to know down below what you think. Even if you're just making fun of me, go ahead. I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Yes, we do things really, really differently here on the channel. So I hope you like this really brief, quick overview. Maybe later on we may revisit it. I highly doubt it, but you never know. Okay? So for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, what can I do to earn your subscription? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below, because you never know what your suggestion may change in the course of history of this channel. After you've done all that fun stuff, I know I'm asking a lot, okay? But all this is free. So it's not like you're being charged to do it. Good thing, right? Look right down there in that corner. You should see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe, making it easy access for you. One-click access. Now, after you've gone ahead and done that, please, if you so choose, go ahead and destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up somewhere over here. Those, or over here. I don't know. I'm getting that stuff mixed up, okay? I've got the thing backwards, but it'll appear on the screen, alright? Yeah. Those will be videos that YouTube chooses from my current catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. And yeah, I can hear some certain people laughing out there, and I don't care. My channel all screwed up. Alrighty, guys. Whew. There we are. My quick look at King C. Gillette's Beard Oil. Oh yeah, by the way, no scent profile that I could really pick up on. None. But still. Thanks so much for watching this train wreck of a video. Yeah, I said it because I screwed up a bunch, and I'm going to leave it out there because I like my mistakes just as much as I love my successes. This video is probably going to teach me a lot more than a successful one did. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great one, a safe one, and we'll see you in our next video.